So now that you have got Atom installed, what we need to do is now go in and click on Preferences or CMD or Control Comma, and then you will basically get in here. And then we need to go under Install. So a package in Atom is basically an extension of the editor. So we're gonna install different kind of package, and we are not gonna look into them in this video. We're just gonna install them and see that they are actually in Atom IDE UI, which is made by Facebook Atom, and this will then come up with user interface for the IDE. It won't really work with anything because we haven't installed an extension like PHP, which is the one we are gonna focus on in this video. This course, sorry. So when we have installed this one, we need to install the other one. So in the meantime, this is installing, we can go in and look at the actual page where you can see it here. Atom IDE. You'll get everything from like a smarter auto completion to outline view and diagnostics and all of that kind of things. You can see a picture of it here. And we are basically gonna install this one here, which requires PHP 7, which is important. If you don't have PHP 7, I highly recommend you to install it so you can actually use this part of it. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to follow along in this course. Again, all of this is completely free. So now that the IDE is installed, we just need to install this one here to check that the IDE user interface is installed. We should be able to go into View, Outline, and Diagnostic. You can see that here, Tool, Outline, and Diagnostic. And this one is installed now. So what I recommend to do now is actually to close it down and then restart it. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.